on, y'all? It's your boy. What's going on? I know, and I'm back. And yeah, I'm about to go to Big Boys. I see somebody out there. Go give me something to snack on. And today I think I'm gonna get me a chopped cheese. Big Boy's outside. And Big Boy is outside waiting on me. So yeah, let's go in there and see what he got going on. You, what's good? Chillin'. Yeah, security. What was it? The chopped cheesesteak. Yeah, I'm gonna try that today.
Chopped cheese Philly?
Yeah.
Chopped cheese Philly?
Yeah, chopped cheese Philly.
They come with fries already.
They already come with fries?
Yeah, like a handful.
Alright, that's straight.
One mayonnaise on it, like ketchup and tomatoes, pickles.
Nah. This chopped Philly cheese. This not what it come with. But it's just the what's the flavor specials of sauce. Yeah, I ain't gonna do nothing crazy to it. I know these they put ketchup on the little chopped cheese shit. Yeah, you can put a little ketchup on it. Yeah. A little missing girl. All right. Get my throat. Y'all know how to come outside. Oh yeah, they got the missing girl right there on the window too. Her name is Unique King. Missing little girl. I hope she found safe. Well, she probably ran away. You know, these little fast girls. Well, I ain't gonna say all the girls fast, but you know what I mean. The ones that are. But yeah, we up here at Taste the Big Boys. Got me a chopped Philly cheesesteak. And I know he always asks me what you want on it, but he need to have a certain thing that it already come with. Instead of every time you order, what you want on it? It comes with mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce, pickles, you know what I mean, whatever. But, you know what I mean, you need to have something already set in stone on what comes with the sandwich already. And it's up to the customer to say he don't want that on there. But I'm just saying that's how, you know, how I will handle mine. You know what I mean? Like I say, I be learning a little what and what not to do from different places. You know what I mean? That was Z28. Black Rob. Black Rizzy. Look, Black Rob right there, booming. Yeah, he up here. Black Rob and Dogface. Look like Dogface. But yeah, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna keep him. But it was kind of cool how I was just telling y'all about how I want to start this my own restaurant business, and I'm sitting in front of here thinking about it, and my homeboy come through and say what he said. Black, what's good? Nah. I'm over here hoop jimming my head like when I get mine going on. Nah.
Oh, okay, that's big bro. Okay.
Yeah. That's what's up. Yeah, I've been fucking with him for about a whole damn week trying to see everything he got. You know,
no doubt,
testing every little
everything
something.
been good so
Everything
far?
been straight. Everything been decent.
No doubt.
What you got going on for today?
Nothing, man. Just want to get the truck up.
Okay, I hear that bitch booming still.
Yeah, just want to get it.
You gotta paint it? Another black on black again?
Yeah.
That bitch do look shiny as hell. Who painted it?
Mako.
And look at that. I'm over here posted up like I told y'all. When you see I'm just saying how
I'm pretty much speaking everything to
what,
existence.
And what not to do.
It's falling right in place.
Just
how I like
so I can know how I'm gonna have mine set up. But what I'm saying, my homeboy, I was talking about Black Rogers pulled up. But like I said, I'm sitting in front of here. The first thing he said was, "This you up here, Skull?" Like he thought this restaurant was mine already. And I did want this one, but he got it for me. Big boy got it. But you know, I wouldn't mind having this right here. But I need to get everything really mapped out. What I need to have, paperwork and everything. Get my menu all the way right like it need to be. Yeah. But yeah, waiting on my food. About to go here in a minute. But yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Y'all know I gotta say that all the time. And we are currently at 659 subscribers. After I hit that 60, we're only gonna need 20 more. 40 more. $40 more to go. Yes, sir. I don't know, something going on over there at McDonald's. Ambulance over there. I know that ain't Juju. That better not be. Nah, that better not be Juju right there. I can't tell. I don't see the sticker on the back. Oh yeah, and I might give me a job here. Yes, sir. Yeah. What kind of cheese is that? Provolone? Pepper jack? Pepper jack and cheddar? Cheese. Jack and cheddar. Okay. I know that now. Philly get mixed. Alright. Got the food. It's smelling good too. Y'all seen what it look like when he let me see it. That thing was wonderful. Alright, so I'll see y'all when we get to the crib. bicycle. 4-5 hours every day. You hit the streets and you play, but nowadays they play on the PS3 and 4. Xbox Live, what's going on? Boy, hold on. Saturday morning cartoons, that was cool. 6 to 8 in the morning. I couldn't wait to see the Saturday cartoon. 6 to 7 in the morning. Magic School Bus, all sorts of things. Transforming Ninja Turtles, did they play? He-Man, Superman, what you wanna do? Coming through like a Thundercat. Ooh, and you out my Lionel, but not Richie. I'm coming through this bitch like Panther with Grizzly. Yeah, and you know he was a block fella. Coming through purple, but you know he smell like that purple Thriller. He got the chain around his neck. You know he got the game coming through with respect. Woo, swinging swords. Snarf, snarf, let's get it on. My dog snarf like hold on. What the twins going through? Chitara, she be smashing through. She fashion dash, but she ain't got no dash pad. Yeah, and you know who I be. I'm a Thundercat Saturday morning G. Woo, summertime, bright outside, we gon' ride. Stand on the block all night long, wishing somebody had a tent so we could get it on. Sleeping all night, but listen to the crickets talking about playing PS5. You was tripping, you was tripping. Back in the day, we was really living. Yeah. Sorry, I had that. For sure. But yeah, we got the chopped Philly cheesesteak. And I was trying to tell you, look how moist and juicy it is. But it have onions, green peppers, cheese, chopped hamburger, and ketchup also. Got ketchup also. And it look, y'all see how this thing look right? It's pure deliciousness. Yeah, man, look at that. Jeez, let's get up a little closer. Look at the peppers.
Onions and peppers. Look how juicy
Oh, look at that
and wet that thing is. Man, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Alright, enough of that. Let's get on with it. Woo. Before, like I believe I had a chopped cheese before. It was a long time ago. I really didn't like it now, but I just had to taste one today, so I had to start with Big Boys and try his out. It's not the Aki way. Okay. I can taste like the season, salt and pepper. And I believe it said it had some kind of special sauce. But man, at first I was gonna say it tastes like a meatloaf, but nah. It's not no meatloaf. Ooh. Oh, hold on. And I got some stickage on the wrapper too. Oh yeah, you can see the ketchup. Well, here we go. Let's take it back. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Let's look at this. Yo, you have to prepare for this, but man, yo, I'm not exaggerating, but from what I just ate, this chopped cheese, and I was kind of sure was gonna taste right, but this thing right here is jamming. But like I was just trying to say, y'all, let me let y'all see this meat that's on this wrapper. Look at this. We have to get that. It say something. Okay. Enough of that. We gotta go to work. But before I get down to it, don't forget to hit that bell right there. Don't forget to hit that like button right there. And please don't forget to comment. Let's get handful on here too because you see I was dropping everything. So here we go. Seasoned nice noodles though. Seasoned just right. Oh yeah, and this cost the price point on this was $10. So, I got ketchup on it. When y'all like that, you get a chopped cheese for $10. Yeah, you do. But you also get a little bag of fries too. You get like a little handful of fries. And you know what? Ooh, this season too. Okay. Little crinkle fries. With like the Old Bay seasoning or something on it. Some kind of seasoning. And I really didn't want the fries, I just wanted the sandwich. But I seen that it came with fries too, so I was looking if I could have got the sub by myself. And he probably knew that too. But he was like, the sub come with fries too. But I'm glad I got them, cause they're not, let me try that one more time. They still warm, so. But yeah, so. Whole extra. But this is what I want to cover for. And actually, this thing was kind of heavy too. It felt like about a pound and a half, maybe 2 pound sandwich. I don't know, I might be exaggerating, but it still got some weight to it. Here, let me give you a little tease real quick. bad. I felt like putting some fries on the sandwich. But I'm not saying he got nothing on the Aki way. But this is Big Boy's way. I was looking for a drink. Yeah, a little something. And I had to go get my drink out the house. They should wait. I want to enjoy all this. Because if me just falling, that's about a quarter pound right there. I know y'all like, some of y'all like, man, that meat look real good. So let me let y'all check that out. Look at that. See the cheese. And he said it, I believe he said, I said it on the video earlier, but I forgot quick. I think it was pepper jack. And he said American cheese or something like that. But he said the Philly steaks had like 3 different kind of cheeses on there. Comment down below, should I got the ketchup? I shouldn't. But I know from the real bodegas, they come with ketchup, so I had to put the ketchup on there just to keep it OG. You dig? And some of y'all probably gonna come like, that's not OG. OG, let's make it like this right here. But my man's out there shooting the ball right now. He from New York. He could tell me. No. You don't have to tell me. I got a real New Yorker up there right now. I'm not saying this is the New York chopped cheese, but it's good. It don't be. Whenever I go back up to New York, I ain't been in a few years, but I'll make sure I make my way to Brooklyn. I believe it's Brooklyn, but I might be mistaken. It might be the Bronx, but I believe it's Brooklyn. They go holler at the Aki way. And I don't know about getting all that stuff on mine, like mozzarella sticks and all that, because it's right here. It's good enough. I don't need all that crazy stuff. I'm gonna take the taste off of it. You gotta be a New Yorker or enthusiast, if I'm saying that right. I'm saying with enthusiast. You know that, but unless you know, it'll be for a video. But I know good and well. That's something wrong with him. I know good and well that I wouldn't finish it off. So we had to bust it down in the middle, and I had to share it with somebody. So we get the Aki way. But that gotta be shareable. Maybe we even 4 people. All 4 of y'all get a quarter of each of a piece. You know, everybody ain't gonna be really into all that. So I think that was I go there and split it down with somebody. I don't know. Now I eat it and taste it, I'm like, man, that thing's wonderful. That is. Yeah. I couldn't even make it in the house. I could have, but I didn't want to. One, it was too good for me to run in there. I want to eat it right then and here and now. Two, I didn't want to go in there lucky all in my face, begging. And plus, I like to be outside. Anyway, and do it. The lighting's better. You know. We gotta get some better lights. So to lighten up the room better. I really don't like no light room. But I do have a ring light. What? I like the natural light though. The natural light is better. My natural glow. I'm sweating a little bit. You can almost see my hair color. No, man. Tell y'all what. That's what beat me up. I'm thirsty too. So I'm going here and get me my Coca-Cola. I'll be right back. Y'all go get y'all something to drink real quick. And I'll be right back. Y'all hold down my sandwich. I ain't gonna turn y'all off. I'll turn y'all back on in a second. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Sorry for keeping y'all waiting. But I did have to, you know, it was good for me to walk for a couple of minutes and let that food digest a little bit so I could finish eating the rest of my sandwich. Even though I'm not going to rest the rest of it. Sandwich is up. Well, now you can see like that sauce. If y'all here in Fayetteville, or y'all ever come to Fayetteville, North Carolina area, I know they got like a Fayetteville, Tennessee or something, Alabama, a couple of those places in Fayetteville. But we talking about Fayetteville, North Carolina, the 2-6, and well, yeah. If y'all ever here, y'all want to try this chopped Philly cheesesteak, or his rendition of the roasted pasta like I had the other day, or anything else he got on the menu. If y'all come to Fayetteville anyway, y'all need to know about some little food spots or something. Just let me know. Get them, jump on one of my videos, or even go to my Instagram at Sko910. DM me. I'm like, Sko, I'm here in the Ville. What's the deal? I need somewhere to chill. I said, for real? Nah. But nah, for real though. If y'all ever here, I tell y'all some little spots to go to if you want certain type of food. Me and Gump. I know you waiting for me to say that too, Gump. Like, that's something that me and you talked about. Okay. I like the other ones you see. I said that me and you was gonna do that, homeboy. Oh yeah, and I had to go get this, my leftover slush. I did go get my Coca-Cola, but shoot, this hit the spot because it's hot out here too. Cold. Yeah. Nice little sweet treat. A sweet treat. I'm gonna hate that when the slush be no liquids and be on slush. I think I shake it up or put another drink or something inside to get it. Yeah. If that was a different type of soda, I'd put it in here. But I ain't gonna put the Coca-Cola in the red slush. Nah. If you ever had like a Sprite or something clear, or with Coca-Cola, it's not a Coke float. Coke slush. Slushy. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe again. Like I said probably twice already doing this video. This will be the third time. We're currently at 659 subscribers. I'm almost at 660. That means I need 40 more to go. Then we'll be at 700. 700 club. I appreciate y'all in advance. No love. It's all love. But nah. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I'm about to get off of here. I'll see y'all in a few. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until then, it's your boy, Skold 910. Signing out till next time. Peace.